Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete Google Play Store search history. So let's get started. First, open up your Google Play Store. Then on the top right corner here, just on the profile icon, you just need to tap on and then go to settings. On the settings, you will see general option. Just click on that, and on the drop down you will see account and device preferences. You have to click on that. Then scroll it down a little bit and you will see clear device search history. Just click on that and clear your history. That's very simple process. That's how you can delete Google Play Store search history. Hope this video helps you. If yes, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.